If I can stop the blindness of these children, it sounds corny to say this because everybody works to earn a living, as do I. But I became a lawyer because I wanted to make society better. And as I started doing ROP cases, in my mind, I thought with enough lawsuits and enough verdicts and settlements, all of the hospital systems in America would get it right. And when they get it right, that means I don't have any clients to represent for ROP. And I'm sure there are other things going on in America where a trial lawyer for 3 decades can find something to bring a lawsuit for. I would love to say that in any small way, I helped to implement a change where the blindness stopped.